Cebu City, known as the Queen City of the South, boasts a fascinating array of fun facts that color its vibrant history and allure. Did you know that Cebu City is home to history and allure? Did you know that Cebu City is home to the oldest port in the Philippines? The historic of Port San Pedro, built by Spanish conquistadors in 1565, stands as a testament to the city's rich colonial past. Additionally, Cebu City proudly holds the honor of being the country's first capital and the birthplace of Christianity in the Philippines, marked by the iconic Magellan Cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan himself in 1521. The city is also famed for its delectable cuisine, introducing the world to the mouth-watering lasur, a savory roasted pig dish held as one of the most in the country. From its historical landmarks to its culinary delights, Cebu City continues to be a cultural hub, inviting visitors to delve into its storied, fast, and vibrant presence. Welcome to the path-taking province of Albay, where nature's wonders and culture's heritage conquer the offer of an unforgettable journey. Home is iconic Mayon volcano. Albay mesmerized when its majestic landscape. Albay destination embarked when in expedition Wulat Forest were still beaches and sanctuaries, all landmarks. Albay is the essence of beauty, adventures, and hospitality in every corner of this tropical paradise. Cagsawa Ruins. This tourist spot in Daraga is not only one of the most visited attractions in Albay, but also one of the Bicol region tourist spot located at 7 kilometers and 25 minutes away from the city of Legazpi. This site offers visitors an image of how powerful Mount Mayon can be. Cagsawa ruins in the Philippines are old buildings left from big volcanic eruption in 1840. They're special because they surrounded by a beautiful nature like big plants and a big volcano called Mayon. People come here to learn about the past, enjoy the view, and think about how strong people can be. The living should be that by after the things bad can happen, there's still hope and strength. If you want to experience kayaking or rafting on the lake with the gorgeous view of Mayon volcano in the backward, I helped to Sumlang Lake on the municipality of Kamalig as part of the Albay at Sainari. Nature's lover will love this attraction. It is also just 10 kilometers or a half-hour drive away in Legazpi City. You can have a meal or snack while aboard, but if you prepare to have them a solid ground, you can order from Socorro Lakeside restaurant and build while the one best restaurant in Albay which serve Filipino cuisine melding Bicolano dishes. Alfero by the Lakeside. Daraga Church. This church is entitledly one of the most visited Daraga Albay church spots thanks to its beautiful fascinated from some angels. It's complemented by a view of the Mayon volcano, also known as the Church of Nuestra Señora de la Porteria. Daraga Church is a religious site that has been declared a national cultural treasure by a National Historical Institute. Palawan Island boasts some of the world's most serene and secluded beaches, making it an ideal destination for those seeking solitude and tranquility. The island's pristine and unspoiled beaches are surrounded by crystal clear water, making them one of Palawan's top attractions. Whether you are looking to relax, sunbath, or take a dip, secluded beaches offer an experience. Palawan Island is a paradise for driving enthusiasts, offering an unforgettable experience with its diverse range of dive surfers. One of spot is Tubatahari, situated in the middle of the Hulu Sea. It boasts some of the most stunning coral reefs in the world and it's considered to be the best dive spot in the Philippines. Exploring the underwater world of Palawan Island is must-do activity for any extraordinary adventure. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the Filipino people on Palawan Island where friendly locals are a part of the warm. Known for their easygoing and laid-back nature, Filipinos and stress-free, soak up the welcoming atmosphere and embrace the island culture as you create unforgettable memories with the friendly people of Palawan. Intramuros in Manila is one of the major sites of the Philippines colonial period up to the American Commonwealth. Through Intramuros structures were initially built as a defense mechanism, people are now welcome to explore centuries of history within its walls. The new infrastructure that connect Binondo, Intramuros, and the developments help not just the Filipino but also the tourists. Aside from being the most visited tourist spot in the Philippines, Intramuros has been a prominent tourist spot from the colonial era until the American Commonwealth through the structures of Intramuros, Manila were initially built as a survival tactic. The majestic Manila Cathedral built in 1571 represents of the most undefeatable structure within structure. Baguio City, with its cool climate change, scenic landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, offers visitors a wealth of attractions to explore and enjoy, from panoramic viewpoints and iconic landmarks to botanical gardens and cultural centers. Baguio's top tourist spot offers something for everyone to discover and experience. Thank you.